Welcome to our comparison of two popular graphics cards, the SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti. In this video, we'll delve into their specifications, performance metrics, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a budget gamer or looking for high-end performance, we've got you covered. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 offers decent performance for budget gaming, with a GPU clock speed ranging from 1284 to 1750 MHz and 8 GB of GDDR5 memory. However, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti takes the lead with a significantly higher GPU clock speed of 2407 MHz and 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, making it a powerhouse for high-end gaming and demanding applications. The RTX 5060 Ti also supports advanced features like DLSS, enhancing frame rates and visual quality in supported games. In terms of pricing, the SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 is priced at an attractive $149, making it a great choice for gamers on a budget. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti comes with a premium price tag of $479. While the RTX 5060 Ti offers superior performance, potential buyers must weigh whether the additional cost aligns with their gaming needs and budget. Both graphics cards offer multiple display output options, but they differ significantly in features. The RX 580 supports HDMI, DisplayPort, and DVI outputs, making it versatile for various setups. In contrast, the RTX 5060 Ti supports PCIe 5.0 and includes advanced technologies like ray tracing and DLSS, which are not available in the RX 580. These features make the RTX 5060 Ti a more future-proof option for gamers looking to push their systems to the limit. In conclusion, the SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 is an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers or those needing a card for general tasks. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti is the better option for users who want the best performance and are willing to pay more for it. We hope this comparison helped you decide which graphics card suits your needs better. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.